Are you looking to spotlight your latest offerings with a touch of cinematic flair? Check out this movie ticket widget from WDesignKit's free plan. This tool brings a sleek interactive design to your website, which is perfect for showcasing films, promotions, and special deals. Plus, with responsive layouts and engaging hover effects, it ensures that your content captures attention across all the devices. Now, without any further ado, let's explore how this widget can enhance your site's visual appeal with user engagement flawlessly. The widget we'll be using here is offered by WDesignKit. Speaking in terms of figures, it includes over 2000 pre-designed templates and 100 plus pre-built widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and Bricks, along with a cloud workspace and much more. We'll discuss about more of its features in detail soon, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Now, let's also make sure everything in the WordPress backend is set up for the smooth operations of this project. Now, let's start with the tutorial. Make sure you have installed Elementor, and we will also need WDesignKit, so come up here and click Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, WDesignKit. Simply click on Install Now, then Activate. Moving ahead to Appearance, and here as you can notice, I'm using Nexter theme. However, feel free to use any other theme as per your preference. Now, in order to use this plugin, we will need to make an account with WDesignKit. Simply come here and click on WDesignKit. Next, up here in the header section, click on Login. At the bottom here, it's written Don't have an account. Click Sign Up. Now this web page will open up where it's visible that you can sign up with your socials, or here after you fill all the details mentioned, simply click on this button. I already have an account, so I'll simply click Sign In. And then I will click on Continue with Google. Once you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. It's time to activate our widget, so come up here in the header section and click on Browse Widget. Now, search Movie. Here it is, Movie Ticket for Elementor. All we have to do now is simply go ahead and download it by clicking on this icon. Next, let's also make sure it's downloaded by going into the My Widget section. Perfect. Alright, so here we are inside the Elementor editor, and as you can see, I've already added the movie ticket widget to the canvas. If you want to do the same, simply come here in the widgets panel and search movie. Then drag and drop it inside the workspace. For now, let's just select the widget from the navigator and you will see all the content customization options right here on the left side bar. Let's quickly walk through each of them and update the design accordingly. First up, we have the media field. This is where you can upload your product image or promotional graphic. Simply click on the image box, choose a file from your media library, and it will be placed into the card right away. As you can see, I've added a product shot of an outdoor chair for now. Next up, you've got the title field. This is where you'll enter the name of the product or services you're highlighting. For this demo, I'm naming it Outdoor Furniture, but you can replace it with anything that fits your brand. For example, a cozy lounge chair or limited edition sofa. Now, below that, there is a field labeled Slogan. Here, you can write a short and catchy phrase that highlights the product's benefits or vibe. I'm writing Elevate Your Outdoor, which works great for outdoor products, but feel free to get creative with it, as this is your hook to draw attention. Alright, moving ahead, let's talk about the pricing part. In the current price field, just type in your selling price, and at the moment, as visible, I've set it to $1,100, which is getting prominently shown as the active price on the cart. Right below is also the old price field, through where you can showcase the original price to highlight a discount. For instance, if your price was originally $1,500, just enter it right here and it will appear crossed out beside the current price, instantly signaling an alarming deal. Pretty cool, right? Okay, next up, we've got the button title. This is the label that appears on your call to action button. For example, I'm writing buy now, but you can change it to anything else like view details, grab deal, or shop now, based on what fits your use case. Finally, coming down to the URL field, this is where you'll paste the link where you want the button to redirect. It could be a product page, a checkout form, or even an external website. For this demo, I'm adding a sample link to say https www.ikea.com. But of course, you can replace it with your own desirable target link. And saying that, It's done! We've covered all the content settings inside the movie ticket widget. Once you have also filled out all these fields just like me, your product cart will be fully ready with dynamic visuals, pricing and a CTA, which is perfect for e-commerce, promotions or portfolio highlights. Now, before we move ahead to the styling section, let's set up a full row of 3 product cards. As you can see, the layout already includes 3 movie ticket widgets side by side, so we don't have to manually duplicate anything. What we'll do instead here is fill in unique content for each one of them. Now, I've already shown you how to update the image, title, pricing, slogan and button link for the first card. So now, using the exact same steps, I'm going to update the second and third cards with different products and details. Since now you already know how to do that, I'll quickly fast forward this part of the video to save time. And by the end, you will see all these 3 cards displaying individual content ready to move ahead with the visual styling. Alright, with all the content in place, let's take a brief look at the Style tab. From here, you can control the overall design and appearance of each element, including the title, slogan, prices, button and even the background. So, if you want to customize fonts, colors, spacing or fine-tune the poster image size, this tab here has all the controls you need. So, feel free to explore and tweak the look to match your brand's visual identity. Now, lastly, let's also take a quick peek into the Advanced tab. This section offers layout and behavior related options like spacing controls for padding and margins, motion effects for smooth animations, responsive visibility settings for mobile or tablets, and even if you focus your attention right here, you will also see settings for custom CSS and masking. So, if you're looking for more control beyond just the basics, you now know from exactly where you will get it all. Okay, now that we have updated all 3 cards with unique content and you've seen how easy it is to customize each one, it's time now to move ahead and click on this update button and take a final look at the result on the front end. Now, don't forget to explore other amazing features WDesignKit offers. It provides various design assets and resources to create amazing WordPress websites in a matter of minutes. With its 2000 plus page templates, sections and kits, you can import pre-made WordPress websites. It comes with its own Power Widget builder using which you can convert any custom code to Elementor widget, blocks or bricks elements. And not only that, as we shared earlier, it has its own 100 plus growing collection of pre-made widgets for Elementor, Gutenberg and bricks. Using WDesignKit Page Builder Converter, you can convert your Elementor widget to Gutenberg blocks and even bricks elements. Amazing, right? Lastly, for all the Power WordPress users who create multiple websites, WDesignKit also comes with its cloud workspace, where you can store your created widgets and page sections on the cloud and import on any other website, as well as collaborate with your team members. To be honest, you can say me delusional, but WDesignKit is the tool which can increase your productivity by 100%. It comes with both free and pro plan. You can check all the details from this pricing page and choose the plan which suits your need. So that was it. Today, you've just transformed a static section into an engaging, interactive showcase using the movie ticket widget from WDesignKit. With its sleek hover effects and customizable content, your website now has a dynamic flair that's perfect for highlighting films, promotions, and special deals. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to explore our WDesignKit playlist for more insights and tools to elevate your web design projects. And also, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future updates. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay creative and happy website building.